Good morning everyone. So I'm here on my cage. So when so I transferred the mama there yesterday because of the two chicks she have already, and I prepared to have their feed yesterday afternoon so that they can drink, and because this one still have the last video I have, or in my short video I have, she still have six pieces egg, and I'm surprised this morning because so last time that's mama on that one is here, but yesterday I transferred there because of the baby of the chicks that she had too. So I removed the eggs here, and I use this broke basin we have, and make me surprised. One of her egg I found in here, in that one. Then when I checked this one here, she had only, I said, just wait, Baba, Mama. One of the egg is gone, and the two chicks is gone. I don't know if snake goes through here and the holes there, because if it's a cat, I don't know if they will eat egg and eat my two new chicks. So I have problem here now, so I think I need to, and if it's cat, I think it can go through here, and if it's snake, can go through here. I don't know. So I have to buy another what's this, like this. So I'm sad that two of my chicks is gone and one egg is gone. So since no chicks now, so I need to put this back here, this mama on this old what's this nest she had. I'm so sad this morning because I taken care of that two chicks yesterday. Maybe it's my fault that I just put it there, not on my old, because I did not put on the brother because the mama still have egg, and I want them to walk around over here, to walk on this one. So I put rice also, that if they will have poop, it's not really dirty. Then I prepare them food already. They've been eating yesterday here. So for sure mama's so sad now. Mama, where's your chicks? And so sad. So I need to put their back. So I remove na. So I put this back here. So since this mama here still have many eggs, so I will add another, I think another two on here. We'll add here. So and I removed this one because it's see, it's shakeable. It's have watery there inside. So, bugok na ni bugok. Ay, so hopefully, I will buy another net. Like this kind of net. So, if have snake, we can go through here because if it's snake, it's really gonna go inside. Or here, if it's cat. So, I don't know. So, that's all, guys. And God bless.